Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are very different type of readings. I'm doing it for you. My angels told me to do the energy oracle for all my dear subscribers, and I was witnessing that I want to share my heart with all of you. I was witnessing that I'm doing so many different type of readings, but I can see that the views of the readings and the engagement is getting little low, and I was feeling that I'm giving full heart to the readings. Do let me know that how you're resonating with the readings. And this is a very different type of reading I'm doing for my dear subscribers here. This is known as energy oracle reading. I will be seeing the energies of 2022, the next year, 2022. Now this is a general reading for the sun, moon and the rising sign of Aries. So please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And you know very well that in case you wanted to connect with me, you can connect with me on the email ID mentioned below in the description box, and I'll take you from there for your private personal readings. And this is a general energy reading. We will be seeing the energies for the year, the overall energies, what messages your energies are giving. So it is deceit, it is angel of balance, it is contract. I will be pulling out only 6 cards. Patience, angel of strength, and woman holding a heart. Okay, I hope all the 6 cards are visible to you. Okay, now if you see the overall energies of the reading, the first card is the energy of a deceit. This means, dear Aries, there will be somebody in your aura, in your energies in the coming year. The person will show that he is your well-wisher, she is your well-wisher, but you have a lot of animism, enviousness around your aura. And I can see there is a lot of jealousy. Somebody wants to harm you, somebody wants to make some loss to you. That is definitely in the beginning of the new year that you are going to witness the energy, the envious energy, the jealousy in your environment. And more than personal, I'm sensing that this is going to be a professional rivalry or professional jealousy around your aura. And the number 7 is very important for you. I will be giving you your numbers also. Please keep a track on the numbers till the end of the reading. With every card, I'm going to give you a number. These numbers are going to be very important for you. So your first number is number 7. The other number is number 3, number 6, number 7, number 5, and number 8. Please note down these numbers. In the coming year, these numbers are going to be very important for you. There could be some major events on these days, and you should also do some good thing on only these days of any month. Number 7, number 3, number 6, number 7, number 5, and number 8. So in the beginning, you are definitely going to witness some energies which are not going to fall into your favor, and you need to have the angels' blessings and protection on yourself. Call upon angels when you feel that there is negativity around your aura, and somebody who says that who is your well-wisher, tries to be your well-wisher, is not. So you should be intelligent enough to sense those energies. Then next energy, you have angel of balance. The card says under any circumstances you need to hold on the balance, mental, physical, emotional, social and spiritual. You need to have the angel of balance in your life in the coming year. Very, very important. You need, because you have two cards of angels, especially one is the balance, another is the strength. I'll come to that card in a minute. But overall balance, managing self is going to be very, very important. And then the another card talks about contract, dear Aries. You will definitely witness a new opportunity, freelance opportunity, maybe a great luck coming to you. Maybe you're already working in some area of your life. You might get a new opportunity, an opportunity to be in alliance, to be in partnership, joining hands. There will be something new in your life, professional life, for sure, and that is going to be a very good opportunity for you. And then you have a card of patience as well, dear Aries. With this card, I can sense that you need to hold on the patience in your life in the year 2022, because you already have a card of angel of balance. And whenever balance comes along with mental, physical, emotional, social, and spiritual, the angel says that hold on with your patience, give calm, give cooling effects to relationship, people, circumstances, situation in your life. Patience is going to play a major role in your life in the next year, especially. And then you also have a card of angel of strength. Now, strength is also talking about patience. So, what I can sense, dear Aries, I'm not sensing any delays mainly from this card. What I'm sensing with this deceit card as the energy of the year, that you need to have the patience, the willpower, the courage to handle the tough situation in your relationship. And more than personal, I can sense that this toughness, this anxiety, this stress, this not so welcoming aura or energies is primarily from the professional relationship. So the cards are telling me that you need to have balance, patience, calmness, willpower, strength, courage to hold on to yourself in your professional life, maybe at your job or business, or maybe with clients, maybe with partners. I'm sensing a lot of professional vibrations from your reading, and this is definitely more than a personal reading. Major part of the year will definitely go in balancing your professional life. Now you also have a card of woman holding a heart. This is a lovely energy, and it says that there will be somebody in your life, dear Aries, male or a female. The person will fall in love with you, the person will hold your heart, the person will value your contribution, your worth in their life, the person will value their connect with you. And there will be an unsaid loving relationship between you and your partner. So if you are single, ready to get mingle, because I can sense that by the end of next year, the last quarter, or maybe after half year, you're going to witness somebody with whom you're going to have a lovely chemistry, lovely loving touch. I can also feel and sense the care and affection you're going to get from this person. And this is lots and lots of, the person is going to take overall care of your needs, of your requirements, and this is going to be a very, very lovely relationship. So allow somebody to come into your life. And I would like to repeat the numbers again. It is 7. And yes, along with number 7, let me tell you, you have master number 77. So when you are seeing this reading, you can pause the video and you can go and Google the number 77. There is a message lying out for you there. Otherwise, please note down this number whenever you want to start something good, or something is going to happen definitely on these days, any month in the next year. The days are 7, 3, 6, 5, and 8. So that was your energy oracle reading for the year 2022 with the lucky numbers I have given it to you. I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed and do let me know that how you're resonating with so much of my efforts. Bye bye.